Love to go out on road trips with your friends and family? Then in this video, let me tell you why this Hyundai Alcazar could be a great vehicle for you with prices starting at just rupees 16.77 lakhs. Hyundai's Alcazar is a big premium family SUV and comes in 6-seater and 7-seater variants. And what we have with us today is the turbo petrol DCT top trim with maximum passenger seats available. So in this video, I am going to stick to the point and tell you how this Hyundai Alcazar makes perfect sense as a spacious touring car. Firstly, let us quickly get the engine options discussed. If you are going to drive around with a full load of passengers, which is a maximum of 7 people, you need the engines to perform. And under the hood of the Alcazar, you have the option of a turbo petrol as well as a turbo diesel engine option. What we are driving today is the 1.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol variant, which pumps 160 PS of power and 253 Newton meters of torque. This is matched to either a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed dual clutch automatic transmission. The car we are driving today is coupled with the fast shifting dual clutch automatic. The oil burner is also a 1.5 litre 4-cylinder unit pumping 116 PS of power and 250 Newton meters of torque, coupled to either a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed torque converter automatic. Manual gearboxes are well defined. They offer a quiet shifting mechanism and the clutch is light too. The automatic transmissions are fast shifting and do not cause any discomforting head nod either. With a 50-litre tank capacity and efficient engines, you don't need frequent fuel stops either. Both the engine options are very refined. Refinement levels in fact are so high that even the diesel motor of the Hyundai Alcazar sounds quieter than the competition cars using a petrol motor. This makes touring effortless as the cabin is noise and clatter free at all times, keeping fatigue at bay. At cruising speeds of up to 120 km per hour, when the road allows, there is barely any wind noise either. So spending long hours inside the Alcazar is a remarkable experience. And to mask the traffic noise, you have a premium Bose sound system which keeps your mood on a happy high throughout. Next, let's speak about comfort. Even with 18-inch wheels, the ride quality of the Alcazar is very well suited for the Indian streets. The suspension soaks up the bumps, keeping all passengers at ease. There are barely any thuds felt, and undulations also do not make the driver nervous, even at high speeds. Backing the comfort quotient are the super supportive and luxurious feeling seats. The Alcazar we have with us today has a 2+3+2 seat configuration. So there is a conventional bench seat in the second row, which most buyers prefer in the Indian market as it adds to the practicality. The Alcazar is spacious even for a tall person in the first and second row. Good legroom, great headroom and brilliant shoulder room. The sense of space inside the Hyundai Alcazar is second to none in this price range, and while doing so, it does not feel like a boring MPV. In fact, features such as a large panoramic sunroof, ambient lights, dual digital screens in the driver cockpit area, air purifier, Bose sound system, ventilated front seats, Bluelink connectivity, leather upholstery, along with plenty of ergonomic storage space options, makes you feel like you are in a lounge on wheels. The third row seats are good for adults too, especially at times when you are a full family going out for a weekend meal together. Not only kids but even adults can spend time over here in the third row occasionally, and there are AC vents to keep them cool too. The third row seats also offer a 50-50 split and fold function, so you can use the Alcazar as a 5-seater with humongous luggage space, or even as a 6-seater at times when you have some uncalled guests. In each and every section of the cabin, you will not find a poorly finished panel. The Hyundai Alcazar is not just well built but well engineered too, with opulence in mind. None of the passengers will feel claustrophobic either, as there is ample glass greenhouse allowing plenty of light inside the cabin. The huge panoramic sunroof makes your drives enjoyable, allows you to let in some fresh air, and the rear quarter glass ensures that there is no dark zone in the cabin. If I was in the market for a premium SUV as a family car, I would have surely considered the Hyundai Alcazar. At the given price, this is phenomenal value for money, and Hyundai's fuss-free ownership sweetens the deal. So what are your thoughts about the Hyundai Alcazar? Let us know in the comments below.